In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a business operations app in Glide. We're going to walk through a simple editing workflow inside Glide so you can add an operations section to your app and customize how it looks. If you're following along, make sure you already have access to the app you want to work on, because we'll be editing an existing project directly in the Glide editor. To get started, open your browser and go to Glide. Once the site loads, click Login and sign into your account so you can access your apps and begin making changes. After you're logged in, open the app you want to edit. This will take you into the Glide Builder, where you can manage your app's screens, navigation, and components. Now, look over to the left sidebar. This is where you'll control the structure of your app. Click the plus Add option in Navigation to create a new navigation item. When Glide asks for the data source, select the Operations table. This tells Glide that the new area you're creating should display information from your operations data, which is useful for organizing tasks, processes, or internal business activity in one place. Next, move to the right sidebar and choose a style for this new navigation item. The style you select affects how this section appears in the app, so pick the one that best matches the layout and user experience you want. Take a moment here to make sure the presentation feels clean and easy to understand, especially if multiple team members will be using the app. After that, go back to the left sidebar and click plus Add Component. From the list of available components, add a progress bar component. This is a great visual element for operations-focused apps because it helps users quickly understand status, completion, or performance at a glance. Once the progress bar has been added, head over to the right sidebar again and configure the component. This is where you'll define how the progress bar behaves and what data it reflects. Be careful to review the settings so the component accurately represents the information in your operations table. Clear configuration here makes your app much more useful and easier to interpret. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish in the top right corner. This makes your updates live so your latest version is available to users. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.